Okay, every Christmas, I try to get a gift for my entire family and some close friends. Pero minsan, nakaka-overwhelm, no? Pamangkin ko, pumaporma na. Yung mom ko, matagal na nagtsatsaga sa lumang coffee maker. Siyempre, ang daming ka-exchange gifts sa mga Christmas party. Ang saya sana, pero let's be real. Pag pinagsama-sama mo yan, medyo mabigat sa budget. Pero okay lang, kasi pwede ko naman hulugan lahat. Disclaimer, pag usapang hulugan o hiram, always be smart and be responsible. Anyway, sa G-Gifts kasi, zero down payment. Kaya hindi ako masyado nag-stress sa mga Christmas shopping ko. Ang dali lang. Open the GCash app and click borrow. Input mo lang yung info mo.
Activate G-Gives.
Scan to pay with G-Gives. Piliin mo lang yung installment plan. Then, confirm. Hindi yun, good to go na. Mas fulfilling pala magbigay pag hindi ka kinakabahan sa gastos. So I was able to get everything for my friends and family while still being able to manage my finances responsibly. Yung G-Gives kasi, it allows you right away to see kung magkano aabutan mo per month. Okay guys, going hulugan with zero down payment, yung gadgets and appliances para mas madaling makamit agad yung pinag-iipunan. And remember, be responsible and be wise on how you use it. So, kung marami ka rin gustong pasayahin this Christmas, sharing carry to make it merry when you borrow with GCash. Okay, solid to. Peace!